This is gonna be a taste test. We have this chicken a la king. I'm not sure if I had this type before. So yeah, so let's get started with this taste test video. So here we go. Let's get started. Mmm. Mmm. That didn't taste bad. Tastes pretty good. Well, wait, there's also biscuit part as well. I'll have the biscuit part. I think they're called biscuits. Tastes good. Mmm. Tastes pretty good. Not predictable. It's pretty good. Try one more time. I do like chicken a la king. This tastes good. That's all I gotta say for this taste test video. Thanks for watching. Peace.